Let's look at this problem. It says one gym charges $40 per exercise or per month and $3 per exercise class. So we kind of have two variables there. We have per month, per exercise class, two rates. Another gym charges $20 per month and $8 per exercise class. After how many exercise classes? So it's asking after how many exercise classes. So that's one variable. So let's go ahead and write down that variable. What can we use as the variable for exercise classes? E, X, C. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use X. But you don't have to change yours unless you want to. So after how many exercises, so X is our exercise classes, will the monthly cost, so that's what we're looking at, the cost, be the same, and what will that cost be? So I'm going to put C for cost. It just says monthly cost. So monthly cost is just 1 month. We're just dealing with 1 month. So it's just $40 per month plus $3 per exercise class. So the total cost for Gym 1 is the cost is found by doing $40 plus 3 per exercise class. Or you can do 3x plus 40. And then Gym 2, cost is found by doing $20 per month, $8 per exercise class. So you pay your upfront cost. What's our upfront cost on this one? $20. And then $8 per exercise class. So it's not saying multiple months. It's saying multiple exercise classes. So if we want to find out where the cost will be the same, we can actually put these into y equals. And we're looking for their intersection. So let's put it into y equals.
I need the following students to come to the office: Emery Medley, Malayi Galvan.
And we want to see where they intersect. On the graph, I can't really see where they intersect. So we could do zooming out that way, or we could look at the table. Because when we look at the table, we're looking for where y1 is the same as y2. So go to your table of values. Where is y1 and y2 the same? 4? Yep. So it's 4, 52, 52. So remember what X represented? Exercise classes. So it's 4 classes, $52. I circled them. If the table didn't work, then what you could also do is go to your graph and zoom out. But the table worked on this one. All right, let's look at number 5. A 110-point final exam is made up of 50 questions. Some questions are worth 2 points and some are worth 4 points. How many of each type of question are there? So you look to the question to find out what your variables are. How many of each type of question are there? So we have two different types. Your two different types are the 2-point question and the 4-point question. I'm going to say that A is my 2-point question. And B is my 4-point question. So we have two different types. We have 4-point questions. They're worth more. Maybe more stuff is involved in them. And then 2-point, maybe like your true false questions. So just like our notes, we're going to do quantity and value. So quantity is how many are there? There's 50 total. So if I count up all the 2-point questions and all the 4-point questions, I should get 50. So this is quantity. So A plus B equals 50. That's called your quantity. And then some questions are worth 2 points. Some are worth 4 points. But what's the total value of the whole exam? How many points? 32. Okay, so we're going to do a value equation. The total value is 110 points. So we need to know some are worth 2, some are worth 4. So we need to assign values to each one of the variables. So the value for A is 2. So 2 times A plus B is the value of the 4 points. So 4 times B. And now we have a matrix. 1, 1, 50. 2, 4, 110. You can solve that. So go ahead and solve that one. Okay, let's pick one more. Which one would y'all like to see? 9? No, we did 5. 9? Oh, this one's similar to the last one, where you have different values assigned to different questions. You had a 2-point question, a 4-point question. This is $14 movie ticket, $12 movie ticket. It's the same concept. So set up your variables as A and B. So what are the 2 types of movie tickets? So let's say the $14 ticket is because it's a 3D movie. $12 ticket is just a regular movie. That's what it looks like. All right, so then you have quantity and value. What's the quantity? How many are there? How many did she purchase? So the quantity quantity and value. Quantity is 9. What's going to add up to equal 9?
A and B.
A and B. You're going to buy so many A tickets, so many B tickets to get 9. So it could be like 4 and 5, 6 and 3, 8 and 1. All those add up to equal 9. And then you have your value. What's the total value? How much money was it?
114.
To get to 114, you assign a number to a letter. The value to each letter. What's the value of A? A is 14 on mine. What's the value of the B ticket? 12. Now you have a matrix you can set up. I'm going to put it down here. If you're done with it, go ahead and turn it in. If you're not, I'm going to give you a few seconds to finish that problem, and then you can put it away, turn it in tomorrow.